my next video. Today we are going to play a game called Picnic New Escape Obby. Let's start it. So my friend Zygrade is playing with me today. He's a very good player. So let's see. Let me join. 1 minute. Yes. Here you go. It joined. So let's play together. I'm also going to show you where to. Sometimes in this game there is no lag, but in other games there is a lot of lag. That's why I recommend this game in the fun hobbies. That's all. Oh no, yes, I did that purposefully so that my camera gets set. Here it is. Let's do it. Zygrade! If you push me, I will not play with you. Guys, it's all Zygrade's mistake. He pushed me here. Jump. Next level. Jump. Jump. Zygrade! Guys, you just jump and go out. Yeah, just wait. I'm coming there. Zygrade's got. What? What? Robux. Yes, guys. And guys, 1 minute. Oh, 1 minute left. Jump at the easiest level which I can clear actually, guys. Telling you. This is the most easiest. Oh no, guys. That was a small mistake which pushed me down. Let's go. Jump. My friends. Oh no, guys, that was my slippery shoes. And my computer, my games has very much lag, so it becomes lag. That's why guys, again a lag. Guys, this lag is so irritating. It's not making me cross the first level. Before I would have crossed it in 1 second. Because of the lag, I'm not able to. Okay, guys, let's just wait. This cookie is little easier. It is very easy. Go jump. Go jump. Go jump.
So many people made it here. Oh my god. Just push me out.
Guys, Zygrade fell and that's so good. Because I can cross this hobby very easily. Guys, oh no, that was my mistake. Zygrade fell down. Yay!
No, I can't die here. I'm listening to it. I can't die here.
Where is Zygrade?
I already died. I didn't die if I went down also.
Yeah, you won't die until you walk. Guys, I'm in the 5th level, I guess. Guys, Zygrade will take a lot of time to come to this level. Guys, this is the most easiest hobby I have played till now. And it's a very fun hobby. That guy's huge. Jump on the soda bottle, then use the nasty saliva to get inside his mouth. Yeah, guys, we're gonna use that.
This is so hard, hobby.
This is the most easiest hobby. This is the most. This is the most easiest hobby, guys, I've played till now. Actually, this is tough. When you come to the soda bottles, it's a little tough. I'm a level 8 Zygrade. Yes, guys, our soda level is a little tough. It's like...
Did you go into that guy?
No, I didn't. I'm still trying to, guys. Yes, guys, I hopped on this bottle.
Just say you did.
Yes, guys.
You went to the soda.
This is tough. From here, it's a little tough because you have to get on this nasty saliva which is here and it slips too much. Guys, his saliva is too much nasty. Guys, this saliva is little tough, guys. The saliva level is little tough. Finally, I crossed the saliva, guys. It is actually, from here, it's a little very easy one. It is from here, if you reach till this stage, from here, it is very easy. Oh no, guys, actually, this is a little tough here in the level 10 because the bumping sodas will be up. You should not touch the sodas. That's the main thing. See, guys, that's what happens. The soda isn't too much high level. You should have jumping power. Let's just wait. Let's get a magic carpet. Zygrade. Guys, Zygrade's not in the level. He's still trying too much hard. He's still trying very hard. Oh guys, I died. Okay, I got to know which door is it. Thank you goodness. I got to know which door. I got to know the nasty trick. Which is over here. Okay, Zygrade's still in level 8. He doesn't know how to come up to the saliva. I think so. Guys, this is the most toughest level in this game. Actually, you die here. This is the toughest level. I could not cross this before, but I can now. Because I've understood this totally big fat game, guys. Here you go. Oh, I should not touch this big fat saliva, nasty saliva. There. In a big fat, yucky mouth. Oh guys, that was a mistake by touching this nasty saliva. Zygrade. Oh, Zygrade got scared and is still in level 8. Oh no, Manny. Shit. Zygrade's now moving from level 8. Zygrade, please can you come back to the cow so that I can tell my users where you are. Oh, see. That place is a little dangerous. Better skip the jumping places, guys. I go on this edge and jump. Oh, guys, yes. Zygrade, can you please unmute? Hey guys, here we go. Here you go. You did toughest level up. Surely you should never keep still. Jump. Okay, I got to know the trick, guys. That's the trick. Oh no, I forgot it. Zygrade, can you please unmute? Zygrade's in level 12. Oh no, that's so much nasty. I should cross this level before Zygrade does. Like it's in level 12. I'm level 14, guys. Okay, from here it's a little very easy. Actually tough from here. But then these eggs are so cute. This is the easiest game I've actually played now. And you should not touch this blue color stuffies. Zygrade is in level 12 still. Zygrade is not talking to me because he dies. Okay, Zygrade, you can talk to me. He's nasty saliva. So nasty. Guys, that was a mistake by touching the ants. Zygrade, can you talk to my user subscribers? Do you like this game, Zygrade? Zygrade, are you talking to me? Oh guys, that was a mistake. Zygrade, Zygrade's still in level 12. Level 12 is easy, guys. I don't know why Zygrade is still there. Guys, that's a little tough. Listen to me. Zygrade, please unmute yourself on the call.
Okay.
So I'm in this level. I am not understanding how to cross this level due to the hard work and the processability. Okay, I got to know what should I do. The mistake was to touch that nasty saliva. I mainly should go from here. Guys, I got to know. Guys, I literally got to know how to. Oh no, my best of friend Zygrade got disconnected. Wait, users, no worries. He's a very quick comer. He can come very fast. Zygrade, can you come fast? Yes, guys, see, he's in the second stage in just over a second. Okay, guys, let me just try to finish this level. Okay, this is a very easy level, but I'm getting a little tense. Yes, guys, let's try to finish. Let's finish this level. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Oh, guys, tada. That was bad thing.
I didn't realize this meat doesn't do any damage. Okay, I'm in the second stage.
Here's how you go. You have to do this. But be very careful. These are very careful.
Now I'm in the third stage.
Oh, guys, saw that small pinty dot. That hit me and back to the level. That's the main thing.
Are you in which state are you?
Level 17.
Okay, 17.
The saliva is little tough.
What? You're still in the saliva? Oh my god.
No, I finished the saliva. Means I am telling you that the saliva is little tough.
Okay. I don't see anything tough now because I learned how to do the soda thing. This dumb soda.
Okay, guys, I have a mistake somewhere here. How to go with this pastilles.
Oh my god, I'm finally in the soda. I'm really fast.
What? You're in the soda? So
Really
fast.
hard.
Oh no, guys, my friend in the soda already.
I'm in the bottles. Oh my god.
Yes, I know, guys, he's in the bottles, but then the saliva is little tough. It's very thin.
Okay, I think it's got weakness.
But then,
Saliva.
as you come far,